Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a weekend vlog. Here is what my morning looked like. After I did my morning journaling, Matcha was waiting by the door, and that is my sign that I need to get up, let him go out to potty, and feed him. Starting off the morning with an everything bagel, some lactose-free cream cheese, and then a little mixed fruit melody. These bagels from Canyon Bakehouse, so good. I don't know, I'm just kind of like experimenting right now because sometimes gluten just makes me puff up like a puffer fish, and so I'm not gonna go completely gluten-free because your girl loves pasta and bread. On things like this where I can help it at home, I think I'm gonna try to keep buying like gluten-free bagels and things like that at home. How cute are these little cherry shorts? My friend Allie got them for me for my birthday and I am obsessed with them. Today's gonna be a busy day. I was looking at my planner just now and we got a lot to do. If you didn't watch my previous videos, it's officially summer for me. I start summer classes in 2 days. Is it really summer? I don't know, we can debate that. I have a couple brand deals that I need to film before I leave in 2 days. So I'm going to SLO, California, which is where Cal Poly, the university is. I'm gonna be visiting my friend Amanda and I'm also meeting my friend Nicole out there. I went on semester at sea with both of them, so y'all probably know who I'm talking about. And Amanda, she is like the best planner ever. She's so cute and she sent over this whole itinerary that she made. It looks fabulous and I've just heard from so many people that SLO, California is the prettiest place ever. So if you live there, comment down below. I'm extremely excited to go visit. Strawberries are so good. Tomorrow I'm dropping off Matcha at his dog boarding place because my flight leaves the next morning at like 6 a.m. but I start boarding at 5. I'm really sad. This is the first time that I'm ever gonna be boarding him. If you are sensitive to dairy, do not give up dairy. Just buy the products that have the lactase enzyme and I promise you, oh shoot, it's leaking. This Green Valley lactose-free cream cheese, game changer. So good. Comment down below if you're one of those people that needs so much cream cheese because I think my dad definitely influenced me to do this, but I love cream cheese. Like mine has to be covered, smothered. Nothing's worse than when you go to a bagel place and they just slap on like the thinnest layer. I'm like, give me a whole thick chunk. It looks really gross, but I promise it's so good. Look at that ratio. That's how it should be. We're gonna go on a walk today. I need to prep for this really important interview call that's gonna be taking place while I'm in California. Kind of stressing about that because usually whenever I take big calls like that, I like to be well prepared in my house. I'm gonna do a lot of prep work for that.
Talking about closets here, right? Oh, I'm sorry. You can just sanctuary when I'm showing you. Oh, I'm not going to let's get rid of this.
After I finished my greens drink in the morning, I went downstairs and did my makeup. If you guys want an unsponsored makeup routine, comment down below because I have found the perfect one that leaves my skin glowing. Anywho, I went into the laundry room and did a quick load of laundry. Today we did a load of darks. Probably gonna do my whites tomorrow, but my sweatshirt was light, so we only did one load today. And then as I was heading out to Pilates, I dropped off a letter to my boyfriend. I just got a Pilates that just kicked my butt. So I pickled these carrots and some daikon a couple weeks ago. Whenever my boyfriend was up here, we made homemade spring rolls and it was so yummy. So I think I'm gonna have to do it again because it turned out to be a success. Added these peppercorns at the bottom and they are just so tasty. Today's lunch is gonna be sushi sticky rice tofu bowl with some teriyaki sauce drizzled on top and then of course pickled carrots and pickled daikon. So I just put some rice in the microwave. If you're a college student and you live alone, I would highly recommend going to Costco and getting this brand of cooked white sticky rice. So good, and it comes in like a pack of 12, I wanna say. So it lasts you forever. Also, it's gluten-free and vegan, and I usually end up saving the other half. I always need something to snack on when I'm cooking. Today's snack. Plus I need to eat them before I travel, otherwise they're gonna go bad. Let's divide this in half. And then I'm gonna take a baby fork and just place some of this and the carrots on there. If you want the pickling recipe that I did to make these, comment down below because I would love to show y'all. But I wanna do more cooking with Caro series. I like a lot, so we're gonna be doing a big amount. Oh my gosh, you guys, Matcha knows how to lay down now. I have to show y'all this. He's so stinking cute. Okay, Matcha, you better do it. You've been doing it. Sit. Paw. Down. Good job, Matcha. Guys, he's so smart. You are so smart. He just learned that in like 5 minutes while I was waiting for my food.
Good, you're so smart.
Okay, I think my tofu is actually like about to be done. Side note, how cute is this recipe book stand? You like open your recipe book up to the page and it's a holder. I got it from this store in Eagle, Idaho the other day. Now that I see what this looks like, I want to make that. Let's check on the tofu. She's nice and crispy. The sauce that I'm gonna put on top, the Japanese barbecue sauce. I've put so many people on this sauce. The air fryer is truly an amazing invention. Oh my god! She looks gorge. Okay, now I need to do like an aesthetic drizzling. So there's this new coffee shop that just opened up in Boise called Urban Fox. I've been dying to try it out, so I figured we're gonna take Matcha on a walk and I'm gonna get a little coffee, maybe a boba beforehand. By the way, lunch was so scrumptious. I would highly recommend making that meal. I know tofu scares people sometimes, but I promise it is literally the best thing ever. This has the perfect amount of espresso in it, balanced with the oat milk and then the sweetness of the vanilla. It's not like overpowering. This is so good. I think I have to go back tomorrow. Like, I will be back tomorrow before I leave for California. One thing about this little dog is he will not be shy. Oh no. He will not be shy about the fact that he guides these walks. Like, he literally pulls me. It's ridiculous. And it's so funny because people on trails can notice and they always just laugh. Like, this little dog can pull my whole body weight. Hi, Nick.
Hi, Caroline. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Papa used a laptop, computer, and mouse to work the computer upstairs in his office. Do laptop, computer, work.
Ooh. Did you have fun?
Yes, I went with.
Did you know that Aunt Susie and Uncle Patrick are coming?
Coming tomorrow.
They are. Matcha has no problems in the world right now. I bought him this tennis ball and it's way too big for his mouth. So it's like the funniest thing ever watching him try to play with it because he can't pick it up and fit it in his mouth. It's not Christmas, but I do love this Snoopy cup. I'm drinking honey lavender tea to wind down for the night. I think I want to cozy up and read a book in my bed. Let's get unready and do a little bit of a chit chat. Something that I believe in and will always support is talking about mental health and advocating for it. When I got off of semester at sea, I was told that I was going to hit rock bottom and have post-SAS depression. I will say, coming back into full-blown winter here in Idaho, going from seeing 600 plus college students on a ship 24/7 to living alone, integrating back into America, starting new classes for the spring semester, it was a lot. And then, as you guys can tell from my latest videos, having unexpected construction, my house and my life kind of felt a little bit upside down. And I truly think that it could have gotten worse if I had bottled it up and just not asked for help or not talked about it with people in my life. So that is why I am a huge advocate for mental health and just asking for help if you need it. There's no shame in it. I think today's sponsor is perfect for today's video. I want to give a huge thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this segment of today's video. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist who is trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. It's incredibly easy. First, you just go to their site, betterhelp.com/Caroline. You answer a few questions and BetterHelp will match you with a professional who has years of experience helping people with struggles like yours. And the beauty about it is you can do it all from the comfort of your phone or computer at home. It is truly the easiest possible way to start talking to a therapist. You'll be matched with a therapist usually within 48 hours, so you can get started fast. Let BetterHelp connect you with a therapist from the comfort of your own home. All you have to do is click the link on the screen, betterhelp.com/Caroline, and you can get a special discount on your first month. I'm gonna draw a bath and just have a very nice self-care night. Matcha and I just did a 4-mile walk and I'm about to drop him off. I can't bow out.
I'm scared of showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends.
Just got out of the shower and I feel so clean. Today we're gonna be Bob the Builder. I'm gonna hang up a piece of artwork in my room and then I also need to change the batteries on my front door. The lock ran out of batteries and we cannot have that. So first let's start with hanging up my newspaper in my bedroom. I dropped Matcha off at his little doggy boarding place and I miss him so much. I think I mentioned this in my last video, but when I was at Coachella, at the hotel that I was staying at, they had these little Coachella Valley weekly newspapers and I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. So I took one home, as one does, and I just bought this really cheap frame off of Amazon. It's just like white wood and I'm thinking of putting it in between these two walls. I was gonna have my boyfriend do it when he was here and then we just never got around to doing it, but it's okay. Because this is good. I need to be able to do things by myself like this. I'm meeting up with one of my friends at Caffeina Coffee. We go there all the time. That's like our place and we always have our debriefs there. So today is one of those days and I've been looking forward to it all day. I need to go to the Dollar Tree, get some like bubble wrap and packaging supplies. And then I also need to put away all my clothes in my bathroom. We've got a singular nail and then I have to show y'all this toolkit. I'm gonna link it down below for y'all. But if you're a girl and you live alone, this is all you need. This little toolkit, it's like the... Oh no. Well, and then there's that. Anywho, we've got a cute little pink hammer and we're gonna put it up. Okay. I'm really bad at measuring. I probably should get a leveler. We're just gonna guesstimate because, yeah. That's what we do over here. LFG. It actually looks so good. Maybe I'll make this like a whole wall, who knows. A part of me really wants to bring my piano from the bottom floor up here and put it somewhere in my room just because I feel like I'm not super inspired to play and sing as much as I used to. But I have a feeling like if it was in my room, then I would be motivated to. What should I do, you guys? Glad I got that done. Had that on my to-do list for quite a while. I also need to start packing, so maybe I should open up my suitcase. I literally leave tomorrow at 5 a.m. Packing just stresses me out because I always end up forgetting something. And even though my friend that I'm visiting will probably have something if I forget it, it's just such a hassle. Luckily, I have my packing cubes and these always save the day and just make my life so much easier when it comes to maximizing space. I'm gonna leave that out. Let's put away some clothes that are freshly dried. I have a little basket right here. actually want to bring some of these. I know this probably doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is such a nice feeling being able to do things for myself. Fixing this door, for example, I've been dreading it. I don't know why, I just thought it would be more work and more effort than it actually was, but I definitely felt really good after fixing it. Once I finished that task, I drove to Dollar Tree and I picked up some bubble wrap packaging. These mailers are so nice and convenient. And then of course, I had to get a word search. I mean, seriously, for $1, come on, how could I pass on that? I was honestly shocked that there were so many different themes. There was a Friends theme, The Office, so I was very impressed. Bubble packages are secured and I got a word search for the plane tomorrow. When I came back home, I worked for the next 2 hours before I went out and met my friend Allie for some evening coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Ciao! Teenage therapy. Just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication to all of the